Lady Bengals 10 points have come here in the third quarter. Hogan's got caught up with his defense and picks up the foul for Chicago.
She's standing up.
First period when the Miami Heat got out in transition.
Yay, Bella
And this third
Boo!
period has been all the Chicago
Bella
Bulls
Boo!
coming up with the steal
Isabella.
and the nice finish.
Hi.
Picks up his second against the
Hi.
Hogan's. Here comes Ronnie Brewer.
Need a little bit more
Are you
presence of the
standing
offensive
up?
end, even though Brewer
Hi.
is not a great
Yeah,
shooter.
hi.
You can knock down
Hi.
that 17 to 19 footer. Plus he's a bigger, stronger.
Look at the big girl.
And you gotta sell it.
Look at the
sometimes,
big.
or she-
Whoa.
you do.
Uh-oh. That was a little scary.
Time lead of the Miami Heat was 11.
Bella Boo!
Chicago is 4.
Isabella. Isabella.
Yeah.
Hi, Bella Boo.
How about that?
Bella Boo. Say hello.
Wanted me to give you this gift basket.
Say hi.
Oh, good, fantastic.
Hi.
Let's start.
Yeah. Say hi, Bella.
I hope you didn't clean on my account.
Hi,
You
Bella.
know what? It has been crazy around here, all right? Both of the cats
Bella Boo, say bye-bye.
them.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Don't eat that.
Self-respect?
Bye-bye.
Maureen's my niece. I'm not too sure who her
Bye-bye.
dad is, so I always spent as much time with her as I could.
Bye-bye.
Hi,
Say bye-bye.
what are you?
Where's Daddy? Dada?
I guess you could say I'm the closest thing she has to a father figure.
Dada? Say Dada. Dad. Dada. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yes, Dada.